Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create a spiral casing of a Francis turbine in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. First of all, we need to have a sketch on front plane. So sketch on it. Now draw a 3-point arc. Then draw a line. Now draw center line and start it from origin. Press escape button. Now press and hold control key from your keyboard and select both of these points. Make them vertical. Now define them to 0 millimeters. Select both of these lines and make them equal. Now again define the radius 80 millimeter, this distance 100 millimeter, and the diameter, which is 150 millimeter. Press OK button and click on Features tab, then select Revolved Boss Base command. Press OK button. Now click on front plane and sketch on it. Make normal to. Draw a circle. Press OK button, then again extruded boss base. Drop down these options and select offset. Type the distance 300 millimeters. Click on the screen and then double click on the tube. Press OK button. Now sketch on top plane, make normal to and draw a rectangle. Select these lines and make them equal. Similarly these lines and make them equal. Now select center line and start it from this midpoint to the midpoints of both rectangles. Click on this center line and make it vertical. Similarly this center line and make it vertical. Now define it 140 millimeter and thickness is 10 millimeter. Now define this distance 250 millimeter. And this distance, and this distance 25 millimeter. Go to Features tab and extrude it. Drop down these options and select offset, distance 350 millimeter in the opposite direction. Click on the screen and then double click on the tube. Press OK button. Now click on this face and sketch. Make normal to and draw a rectangle. Extrude it up to 10 millimeters in the opposite direction and press OK button. Now click on shell command here. Select this face and then this cylindrical face. Click here show preview 5 mm and press OK button. Now click on this face, make normal to and draw circle. Draw another circle and one more circle. Click here for construction, press OK button, another circle on the quadrant point, define them. $20 mm, 8 mm, and 9 mm. Now click on this arrow in front of linear sketch pattern and select circular sketch pattern. Click on this box and then select this point as pattern axis. Scroll down and select this box entities to pattern. Now select this circle. Type the quantity which is 15. Press OK button and then extrude it up to 10 millimeters in this direction and press OK button. Similarly, sketch on this face, make normal to and draw a circle. Check this box for construction geometry and press OK button. Draw another circle. Now define it. The distance for both of these circles is 10 millimeter and the dia for this circle is also 10. Go to features tab and extruded cut it. Click and drag this arrow throughout and press OK button. Now click on this arrow below linear pattern and select circular pattern. Drop down these options and select cut extrude 1. Click on this box pattern axis and select this circle. Type the quantity 18 and press OK button. Now let's change its colors. Internal face, so this is how the casing for Francis turbine is designed in SolidWorks. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.